Alright, the day has arrived. My very first book, Improving CAD Design with Autodesk Fusion 360, has arrived. I wrote this book for beginner and intermediate designers who may have just received their first 3D printer and want to create their own models rather than rely on the ones that are online. If you've never tried creating 3D models before, it's okay. I made this book with you in mind. To be honest, when I first started using Fusion 360 7 years ago, I had trouble converting over to it from AutoCAD, which I had spent the past 20 years working with. I had difficulty figuring out how to correctly use sketches and how they related to bodies. And definitely don't move the sketches because then you mess up the body. Also, just when to use components. So I set out to create a book that easily explains how to correctly use Fusion 360 with lots of visual guides inside of it. Because I'm a visual learner and I know that you can easily get lost when you're just reading paragraphs of instruction that maybe have one or two images throughout the entire chapter. So I hope that this book helps you on your design journey so that you won't have to struggle like I did when on my first instruction. And please let me know your thoughts on the book in the comments below, as I'd love to create version 2 of this book based on your feedback. Also, while you use the book, please share your models with me. Fusion has the ability to share out your models that you create. Please share them with me, because I'd like to see what you guys create and also how maybe you improved on the designs as well. And definitely, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help out. Thank you for listening, and I wish you good luck on your design journey. This will help you.